This paper pumpkin is just adorable. Look at those rainbows, the bright new colors, all the in colors with Stampin' Up! This year. So my box just arrived an hour ago and I quickly made a few alternatives for it. So let's have fun. First I'll show you the ones that come in the kit. And this also shows a picture. You just get enough to make all of these cards. So I have my stuff just all popped out because I'm using a whole bunch of it. But look at the beautiful colors and the fun envelopes. And I need to mention the stamp set. You always get a free stamp set, and I love this one. I'm not even using it, but look at these rainbow, or use whatever you want to make it. But look, think of all the rainbows you can use. These are all separate stamps. You can build them right inside of each other. So, and then word stamps are always fun. So it's an awesome stamp set to have. I'm going to quickly show you what they suggest making in the kit. I think these are just really fun. And then we'll make some alternatives. Because of course, we always like to change things up. And I hope it's been a big video day, and look at, I just smudged this. Well, that's okay. I'll add another flower or something over it. You know, we just add layers when we make mistakes. So it's all good. Okay, the first one I'm going to use, and I'm sticking just with what comes in the thing today. I'm not adding anything. It's just my quick little, love this pretty little color. And I'm going to use this rainbow as a U. So first I will put this down. And then I took the stamp that comes with it, and it says, "You're amazing." I don't want the "your," so I'm going to cut around it. You know, the other thing I could do is mask it. This blue, the ink that comes with it, is the new blue color. So it's the only color I have to go with these yet. I don't have the other new ink pads, so this will work. So I'm just, you know, the trick when you're cutting is to move the paper. If you notice that, I'm holding my scissors still. And of course, I'm being extra fast since I'm on video. And I'm not being very fussy, but it's just the easiest way to think of cutting. It's just much quicker. Okay, so I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to pop these up on dimensionals, which I just went to get. I know they're in here, but I can't seem to find them. And when I can't find something, then I just use this. Do you want to look for dimensionals for me, Tim? I think there's some sitting right on the table out there. Otherwise, I just load up 3 of these. There are also adhesives in the kit. I don't have those up. Nope. The other things. Okay, but this will add some dimension, and I'm going to put that up. And I just thought, what a cool thing this is for congratulations, for a thank you. Oh, I should have put that a little lower. Let's see if I can change it. And otherwise, we live with it. You know, it's all. I like it a little bit lower, off to the side. Okay, there's card number 1. I think that is just a quick, fun, easy card to do. All right, thank you, Tim. You did bring in to the rescue. I guess they made it to that table, but not this table, and they're not in the same room. I live in a craft house, I don't have a craft room, I have a craft house. Okay, so let's see. Oh, which one is I'll do this one next. We'll work from what's really quick and easy. Let's do another little one. I just love this little size. And this is what the card they suggested was. And so I've taken this same idea, but I cut mine apart. Now I have to put them back together to just figure out. I think I messed them up when I was. Okay, I'm going to put. Look at this. Okay, so what I'm going to put on, I actually wanted this one in the middle. Is there any way to put this one in the middle? Ooh, yeah. We could really change things up here. Yeah, we'll leave good enough alone. Okay, so I am going to put this on the front. I'm just going to make it tiered and then see, is this one I wanted to do next, or do I want to do, I'll do this one next. And I'm just spacing them, but they aren't even sized, if you notice. And that was on purpose. I could make them even sized. That would be a whole different look. And it won't even matter. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, so there's going to be the front. I'm going to use my last little piece on the inside. So this one will have a nicely finished, so right there on the inside. And so now I'm going to put on here, oh, happy day. So here I will put up with dimensionals. I think this is, if you get paper pumpkin and save all these, you just have lots of, especially the words, sometimes I always feel like you can never have enough word choices, both between the choices and the styling. Okay, now, if you notice, I could put this anywhere. Now, I have a bigger gap left on this side, so I'm thinking I kind of want to accent over here. So that's why I'm choosing to put it here. And then I totally forgot about putting some of these on. So let's put 3 of these on. I'll put one there. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to watch my hands here. That's a little interesting. But I'll still use them, Okay, I will put 3 of these. As 3 is kind of the magic number. I'm gonna put one up here. Okay, so how cute is that? And the last card I just did, I realized I forgot to put any of these on. So right here, I think we need Amazing You. We need one of them on in here anyway. So I'm just going to put one right down here at the end because, it's just fun to have these little accents. Next, we'll go on to this one. And here I took the big cloud and I put hey, big word on it. And now I'm going to put this on my card right here. I'm going to kind of put it up kind of high up there. And I'm going to cut this part off. Now I already did this. I'm going to make 2 this way. I already did one so I wouldn't have to do the cutting right here. This one's going to be Hey You. That's not fun. So I took the same rainbow and I just cut a little off the top and the bottom. So that will be the other fun expression we can do with you. Okay, hey you. And now we'll add a few of these again. We'll add one there, and we'll add one up here, and we'll add one over there. I thought, that's pretty fun. Next, this one had me a little puzzled because this background is really too busy for my taste, but we'll work with it. It's not, I would do some other things with it, I think. So I thought, well, I would often soften a look like this with vellum. We already did that over here, and that really helps soften. But I'm going to work with it. That's, it's going to be the star. I'm just going to add some plain color blocks. So this is what I added. So this is from the new In Colors. So we do have this. I'm just going to put on the bottom part of this. Yeah, and a little bit straighter would be good. Doesn't have to be really straight. And actually, if I'm trying to go straight, I do really use the grid paper because then I can kind of see on both ends. But I don't have it on here. Okay, so I'm gonna put these 3, and then you're still gonna see plenty of the stripes above. So this way I figured I can add some this right here, and I will add my sentiment up here. So the fun of what I'm showing you is just, this is just what came in the kit. I've only added a couple scraps of paper. So there's a lot you can do without even adding a bunch of other things. I mean, there's no end to what you can do by bringing out all of your stuff, but I thought this just makes it really kind of a fun. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I don't have yellow, but let's see, I'm going to put one of each of these colors on there. Let's do that. And we'll put white on that one. So I think that's a fun look. And then we have one more. The last one, again, I'm working with this busy one, and I just wanted to change it up. So I'm going to go with the cloud idea. So I have, oh, happy day, and I'm going to tuck in that cloud, and I'll put this one in the front. And now when I look at clouds and a day like this, what comes to my mind is flying kites. So I'm going to use my extra paper out of here. Right now I'm going to freehand cut. If the freehand cutting doesn't look so good, because you know it's a handmade cut, just know that I would go back and replace it before I sent it. But just to keep things really easy here, I thought, oh, let's just go for, and this may or may not work. Let's see, is this going to be an awfully big kite? That's okay. It can be a big kite. Don't we love paper crafting? You know, we can just do anything with it. This is going to be, there must be a name for a kite like this that's just kind of irregular, like, you know, like many things. And do you know what I forgot? Oh, I forgot. I have a little string here from a bow, so I'm going to use this because we are going for a brightly colored sunny day. So I'm going to just put that in here to make sure it's caught. And there is my kite. Now, if I wanted to, I could also, you know, put stitching lines on there, but I think you get the idea just fine. So I hope you have enjoyed these fun little extra ideas of other things that you can do with your paper pumpkin. So we have a whole bunch of cards made in a very short time. Thanks, and if you enjoyed this, I would appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Thanks.